Hello, my name is Will, and I'm going to show you how I make my special edition of nacho cheese nachos. It sounds kind of redundant, but it's the taste that matters. Okay, so what we need here is we need just regular nachos, tortillas, salted, whatever you want. Just put them in the bowl. Now it's important that you use a bowl for many reasons. One is that it's a lot easier to clean up if some strays get blown away, and you're going to know what I mean in a bit. Secondly, you're going to need some cheese. Now typically you would think you would need grated cheese, but this is a special method we're going to use that you need the square. Typically I like to make my nachos kind of spike up over here and get that slab there, and then use this bad boy. Now I don't have a microwave because, well, I kind of broke it, but that's okay. We got a hairdryer. So make sure you put the setting on the hottest. Don't burn yourself. You got to be careful. These things can be dangerous now. And try this at home. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm getting the cheese melted. You couldn't infer that already. Now I'm going to take a sip of water, and I can't open the bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that. As you can see, the cheese is melting. It's beginning to take form. It might get a little wrinkly, but that's how cheese is. That's how you know it's cheese. This is the real deal here. And as it's slowly starting to take shape, make sure you bust out your hot sauce, because you're going to need these bad boys if you want to keep them hot, want to keep them warm. It's going to taste really good. Try to keep it as close as possible to the heat, not too close obviously. You don't want to be blow drying your hair and get cheese chunks. I'm speaking from personal experience, it's not a very pretty picture. Get it all around. Don't neglect any sides. Yes, it's moving. Yes, it's delicious. Okay. And that's good. So the cheese, as you can see, is melted right here. Try to mix it all around in this initial stage. This initial stage is very, very important. Then, bust out your Del Inferno. I got these bad boys from Del Taco. No, I'm not cheap. I'm just very resourceful. Get them all up on these nachos. Doesn't that look good? Mix it up. You need the key stirrer. Get a stirrer, doesn't matter what chip you use. Just as long as you stir these bad boys up. It's a messy process, I know, but all Mexican food is messy. That's what makes it Mexican food. And now the most important part. Trying it. Here we go. Wow. I should open up my own taco shop.